Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hacienda Heights, local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move 100 miles or 2,500 miles, you need a long-distance moving team. Our team will help your cross-country move go smoothly. Even if you just need to move to the next state over, we can help. We offer all the necessary moving services. If you're looking for a full-service move, we also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company for your local move will make moving day easier. Moving is stressful. You can take the stress out of your move with our help. We save you time, and we make sure you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. Even if you're just moving down the road, we provide plenty of local moving benefits. 3 Movers is the right moving company for your needs. We streamline the entire process. When you get ready to move, it may take you all weekend to pack up and unpack at your new location. With our team, we'll get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hacienda Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.